Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que tu vas bien et merci pour être avec moi maintenant. Voilà les réponses. Here are the answers to January 28th, c'est à qui? So c'est à qui? Again, I can't stress enough, it's a good idea to go ahead and get a spiral notebook or some sort of notebook to jot down the verb charts and adjectives and everything as you go through the tutorials and the vocab, so you're not trying to do an activity 100 times because you can't remember how to change an adjective or put the verb in. Yeah, also make sure you have all the words in the sentence. So I know today was a little bit of a struggle for some people, but we're getting used to it. But remember, it is unlimited attempts, but you're not going to want to spend 8 hours a day trying to redo and redo all these. Just try to learn it the first time, making little notes, and I'll be okay. All right, so this one is c'est à qui le 28 janvier. Oops. All right. C'est à qui, using possessive adjectives, identify the owners of each object. Follow the model. Like mon copain, my friend. So ce sont ses cahiers. These are his notebooks. If numéro un belongs to toi et moi, you and me, and it's one item, right? So is it c'est or ce sont? One item is c'est. Now, if it belongs to you and me, it's going to be our computer. So c'est notre ordinateur. C'est notre ordinateur. Calculatrice. This is a calculatrice, but it belongs to les vendeurs, the sellers. So it's one item, so c'est. And it belongs to both of them, so it's leur. Does it have an S on it? No, because it's just one calculator. C'est leur calculatrice. C'est leur calculatrice. Oops.
John Beth, could you call the front office?
Love that. Okay. Anyway, Léi et toi. Léo et toi. So it's you and Léo. And look, there's 2 or 3 stylos. So ce sont. And so it's Léo and you. So it's like both of you. You plural. So ce sont vos stylos. Ce sont vos stylos. Belong to Leo and you, so both of you. And Josie has some dictionaries. So there's more than one. So ce sont. They belong to just her, so her. C'est dictionnaire. Yay. Makes sense. Again, mon mame, ton tate, son sase, votre vos. No, sorry, notre no, votre vos, leur. You go with the c'est for one item, the ce sont for plural items, and depending on who the owner is, like les vendeurs is their, Léo and toi is your plural, just Josie is her. Let's see what happened. And I think we got them all. Yay! Voila. All right, merci.